Get this amazing reward for free today. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure guys you check UFO187 English Masterclass for more interesting content and more interesting guides. Just open your Discord today like me and move here to discover, move here to quests, scroll here down and you will see here Dead by Daylight. Claim a Springtrap profile banner. Play Dead by Daylight for 15 minutes and win this Springtrap profile banner. Just go here, accept quest, click on it and you will see select platform to get started. Click this and choose quest on desktop. If you don't have game, go on these vertical dots and you will see here get game. After that you will see you can download game on Steam, Epic Store and Microsoft Store. Just open Fast Steam, download Fast Steam and create account and you will see like this. Type here Dead by Daylight, you need to purchase game. Install game and play for 15 minutes, make sure your Discord is open and you have accepted quest, and get this cool profile banner for your Discord profile. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get cool Discord reward profile banner for your Discord profile. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.